Jotonono taisa haino hai B.A NEP pori tongnai bagi o notification tini nongkhorkha. Tam notification nga faidi jeng tabu nailai grana. Among kha Government of Tripura Directorate of Higher Education ni bekhakti nongkhorja notification tini 18 tarik 8 Mas 2026 amo tini nongkhormani. Keseng kebangma NEP ni tui wana lai tongmani kebangma NEP porinai student of tamong nai inya ni wan suk tonglai mani abo tini Government of Tripura Director of Higher Education bekhakti kaisa memorandum nongkhorkha o notice ni ma National Education Policy 2020 NEP was adopted and implemented in Tripura from the academic year 2023-24. NEP hene aro National Education Policy. Omo 2023-24 yasakha jini Tripura government. General degree college rogo porinani bagai NEP ni guideline ni bekhakti Jengjaka puila 2023-24 Inke a guideline ni ba rule lono follow khlai जों आगियो कलेज 3 বছর केना कलेज पायो तामो ऑनर्स सन्दी तामो जनरल कोर्स सन्दी किन्तु एनईपी 5 रो गांके 4 বছর एबा 4 ইয়ার कलेज मा परिनाय हनै नोटिस नुकलाय मानि इनके अबनतुई केबो सराय गरै मादामा परिनाय 4 বছর मा परिया अबनतुई गोबांमा खाओ सोंमों दंमोन स्टुडेन्ट दंनि बाक्सा न होया कारै पारा थाङै बेबे के 6 सेमिस्टार एग्जाम रोय तै परिना नांलिया तै ग्रिखा रखनै इनके आबो ताबुक सराय नंखरका तामु नंखरका अंगे फाइदि जों ताबुक तला थाङै The first batch of students enrolled under the new syllabus following the adoption of NEP would be completing 3 years with the declaration of the result of the 6th semester. 6th semester ni result tabuk bo nongkhoriyaku Tripura University ni je under general degree college tongmani 6th semester ni result nongkhorka hangkeno boro 3 বছর complete angnai ni chao The students complete 3 year degree ni thangan hai okay The students securing eligibility at the end of 6th semester would be allowed to move on to 7th semester to continue their 4 year degree course 6th semester jefro borok result mana nangke judi bini je nangmani mark je nangmani norok ni je iko credit aus kang nang thangnai ron saklaija total 73 credit da busungbo norok a puilen video ron naidi asung man kangke nang 6 semester ni 7 semester thanan eligible eba मोटामुटी काइसा काइनि बैक पेपर तंफानो कोनो प्रॉब्लम गरै किन्तु आ बको क्रेडिट नों मानानि नांनाय नरनि टोटल 6 सेमेस्टर जरा 122 दा बसो क्रेडिट दं आ क्रेडिट नि बिसिं 73 क्रेडिट नर कंप्लीट एबा पास अंजाक अंनानि नांनाय हिंके 7 सेमेस्टर नर परिमाननाय एबा 4 इयर डिग्री हाबै माननाय हनै साखा अ जागाव Okay, je abo fulfill claimanya bo at ngo 6 semester no tongro granai bo semester klaya kawi manya kho akok o jaga saka haitanke The admission of student to the 7th semester in the respective subject will be governed strictly as per the rules, regulation and guideline issued by the respective affiliating university from time to time, including eligibility and criteria for admission etc. Angke 7 semester porna ngi gobang guidelines dongo a guideline fulfill ma khlainai inka college ro admission ngnani fru a guideline no follow ma khlainai ang je samani bo jodi 73 credit ni ekha boaro fugo 7 semester thangme nge bina ma hai fulfill la tongba bo internship ro khaijak da internship khayang to bo 7 semester kaisimai inka aboro jodi fulfill tongkhangke bo 7 semester eba 4 year degree ma porinai Therefore, it is requested that all the principal in charge of the general degree college under higher education department conduct the admission to the seventh semester immediately after the publication of the sixth semester result by the respective university. Jeffro result sixth semester ni manka Jeffro result sixth semester ni kokka angke no seventh semester ni bagai fat borok no admission mana nai kene oros haklaijak. The academic affair to run the 4-year program will be entirely as per the norm of the affiliating university. Inke o jagao srai saklai di dekha je 4-year program chalogdani bagi jefru 6 semester na result longo je 7 semester ro kanai student tongo borok ni bagi dakti no admission mana nai hane o jaga saklai dekha tinini o notification angke norok to obono norok ni je notification norok 7 semester 8 semester college ma pori finai ke norok o thangnai rong video rong no buji angke norok naimano oro norok college ya karna khai to ya karimano ya kayangke pori man phiro 4-year degree course khlai man phiro ga omobo tini no notice kogo gangke omo tabu NEP pori tongnai je 6 semester exam repaine on notice borok ni bagai belai no nango ke tini ni bagai asenong situn jotono hor kaham good night shubhoratri.